So, Karim, you wanna say what we're doing today?
Out here, we get hair dyed, know what I'm saying? Keep it real with you,
Ooh, I think we just passed it. Yep, because it's on the other eye. Look for... Oh, here it is, right here.
I really hate you guys to fuck my hair up.
I dye my hair all the time.
Where's that?
Damn.
Talking about that?
We might have to add something to it. Fucking dye that we got didn't come with bleach. So we gotta stop by another Walmart. So you 170 now?
No, I'm 175.
Let me see.
I used to be 165.
A little below one, so like 130.
Like 137.
I'm a fat bitch.
You know what's going on? Yeah.
How many pounds is that?
30.
Weak ass bitch.
That ain't count. Oof. Look at it.
So you're just having a whole Egyptian theme?
Is that Egyptian? No,
I was just gonna ask. That's a fucking monkey.
That's not Egyptian, so get your shit straight.
You don't even know what tattoo you're getting is called.
It's called a fucking Horus eye, hoe ass nigga.
I just told you that. I just told him that off camera. I just told you that. Wow.
You're lying, bro. Fuck that. You really just capped it for your audience.
Shut the fuck up, bitch. Yo, what? Yo, what? You just gonna leave the fucking groceries on the top of the fucking car?
I got a phone call. It's probably Candy. Hey, we
was at the wrong house?
Told him.
Oh shit, run. Hey. I brought popsicles. Anybody want a popsicles? You want popsicles? Hey.
It's like a...
Cut a light on, girl. I can't see in here.
Probably because you got an iPhone 4.
Hey! Shut your bitch ass. Look. Oh my god.
So yeah, that's kind of bright for me. I don't know.
Show us what we got, Karim.
We got this Versace hair dye.
Oh my god.
Light blonde exclusive, you know what I'm saying? But this is exclusively for light blondes.
That's why we got the bleach.
Oh, there we go.
He's so stupid. Get out my face. Like, look, Karim.
I'm listening.
Just so you can know how to dye your hair.
I'm not even gonna dye.
First, pop this off, cause sometimes.
Wait, you just take it off?
No, not like.
Oh, well, tell me how to
Twist
do it.
Karim.
I was twisting it. That's what I was doing. I was twisting it open like that.
Yes.
That's what I was doing. Bro, what are we doing?
He did it on purpose.
Yeah, he did. I mean, how bad? I don't know the lyrics yet.
Shut up, let's get busy. Bitch.
What the fuck you doing back there?
Coming out. Dry the dog turd. You know when you sit a turd out on the just sitting on the street and it turn all white and ashy. You ain't never seen an old dog turd, bro. You got this shit. Then tell me you got that you wanted it closer to your root. You did not say that. Did he say that?
I told
You did not say that.
I told you for the jump. I'm like,
No, you said I wanted to look cool when I braided it. I wanted to look cool when I braided it, bro.
Okay.
Put my gummy worms down.
Okay, bitch.
How's it down?
How's it gonna look cool if I braid it when it's all the way in the back? Oh, okay.
You didn't say you wanted it inside the braid.
Okay, so
did he say that, Kennedy? No, he did not.
Yes, I did.
It's gonna look cool when I braid it, bro.
not how it sounds.
Sound like.
So Karim, do you like your hair?
Yes.
Okay, so now we're going to do the blue?
Yes, we're doing blue, yes.
I don't understand how you hairstylists do it when your client is so fucking annoying. L'Oreal? I don't know what the fuck y'all thought this was, but she ain't it, okay? She ain't it. Now, I know the box said already this blonde, and we can have that, but you're racist, okay? People aren't born with platinum blonde freaking hair, L'Oreal. This ain't help nobody. Now he over here looking like Clark Kent. Clark freaking Kent. Cut that camera off.
Big than a bitch, bro. How the fuck?
Look at his hair. Do you like it?
That shit is trash.
Dang.
No.
Oh my god. We all said you should have kept it looking like Jeff Hardy.
Hey, bitch.
But now you want to look like...
Hey, for real, that's what the fuck.
He look like Jeff Hardy, right?
Banging out the motherfucking back, though. Yeah, you sippin', but you not sippin' act, though. Double C's on my feet, gang banging bass. Make a bitch touch her knees, she was Vietnamese.